Да. Hello, Fedor. Nice to see you. Thanks for giving me your car for soundproofing. So firstly, as I remember 1 month ago, yeah, so we soundproofed the 4 doors, and now you decide to brought your car to my workshop to do the full soundproofing, the roof. We did the floor, the boot area. We did this with the Premium Plus. This is almost the maximum that we can do. So, and now it's been a while, approximately 1 week. Yeah, so and if you have a chance to give us a honest feedback, we would really, I would
Sure.
really appreciate it.
Sure. Day and night. This is a utilitarian car. There is a lot of squeaks out of the factory, especially in the back of the car. You could constantly hear the noises, especially from the wheels and the whole like quarter panels against the top quarter panel. It's always squeaking there. That's all gone completely. On the motorways, I definitely can't hear almost anything except just when the car passes by. You might hear something from the through the glass, maybe. But I don't think it can be done or
Yeah,
can be
yeah.
improved. Otherwise, what else? The music started to be a little better. Out of the factory again, not the best speakers on this car. I'm planning to change the audio system here eventually, but it's still getting a little better. I can definitely hear a little more bass compared to what it used to be. Other than that, it was perfect. Yeah,
Thank you.
very great.
Thank you, Fedor, for your honest feedback. So hopefully we will see you in the next videos. Maybe Fedor will decide to soundproof the last
Yeah.
part in this car, but
The
who
next
knows?
one probably would be a dash because it's squeaking. Like
The last
hell.
one, yeah, the last mile for your car.
Yeah.
All good? Thank you, Fedor. Thank you very much.
Cheers.